This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
You have to clarify. So I have the next question now. What is the manifest file? Like what does it do? And why you write the manifest file in Kubernetes?
So, so the manifest file is like, it can be YAML or JSON format, defines the Kubernetes resources. The components of the manifest file is like including metadata, the spec, which is like desired state, and optional status is like the current state. So we write the manifest file to define the like all the services, deployment file, and like, you know, like what image we're gonna use, what containerization we're gonna use, and we define the ports and, you know, the networking. We configure everything inside the manifest file, inside the manifest file.
So quick follow-up question. Can you just give me the example of writing a manifesto file? Like what is included in a manifest file? What do you start, how you start, and how you end up? Just a couple lines.
So of course it's gonna, like, I have my templates, like I always use that one, and that's like really easy. But just now what I can remember from writing a manifest file is like, we define the services, we define what ports are going to be used, we defined what the replica set we're going to be used, stuff like that.
Okay, got it, understand. Good, thank you. Good.